Welcome back to Spill the Tea. Today's trending story is about poet and activist Ntsiki Mazwai, who has once again set the internet ablaze. In her latest Instagram reel, Ntsiki doesn't just make a statement, she vows to stand up for herself. In the reel, Ntsiki speaks directly to her followers, saying she refuses to be silenced or disrespected. She emphasized that she is tired of being targeted and will continue to fight for her dignity and truth. The post comes amid ongoing public debates and her legal battles with DJ Euphonic. Fans had mixed reactions. Supporters praised her courage, saying Ntsiki is unapologetically herself and that's inspiring. Critics, however, argued that she thrives on controversy. One fan wrote, "She's standing up for herself, but sometimes it feels like she's fighting everyone." Ntsiki's reel highlights a broader issue: women claiming space in public discourse and refusing to be silenced. Ntsiki's reel is more than a clapback, but a reminder that standing up for yourself is a powerful act, even when the world is watching. What do you think of Ntsiki Mazwai's vow to stand up for herself? Is this empowerment or just another controversy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tea, because resilience is always trending.